Hello everybody, my name is Amit Dave and I'm your instructor for the semester. So the first thing first that I want to go over is the course material and how to access it. But before I do that, I want to welcome you all to the class and I wish you the best in the upcoming semester. So the first thing first you need to do is log into your Blackboard account. Here is the URL gptc.blackboard.com. And once you enter this URL, it's going to take you to your sign-in page. This is where you will enter your user ID and password. And the course will show up once you sign in. And click on the course. That'll take you into the announcement section, and here's your first announcement that you will find. Welcome to Math 1111 week 1, and then you will find no-show assignment instructions. Also you will find the proctored exam information. Then some information regarding the textbook. You're not required to buy one. And once again, there is a little welcome note from me asking you to do the no-show assignment. Now where to locate it, I'll go over it in just a minute. Once you go through this, I want you to click on this syllabus and no-show. This is where you will find the syllabus. Click here to download the syllabus. And here's your no-show assignment. Well, this no-show assignment is required by May 27th. If you do not complete this no-show quiz or assignment, you will not be able to continue in the classroom and you will be dropped from the class. Next you're going to have to do is work ethics test. Now this may or may not be available as of yet, but I will make sure the announcement is available. But here's what you do. You click on that and here's your work ethics quiz. I'll make it a proctored quiz because this gives you a practice how to access how to use the Respondus download browser that you will be needing to take your final exam, because final exam is in the proctored setting. So I'll set this in the proctored setting just to give you a practice. Let's go back to the syllabus and no-show. Once you go through this, excuse me, then you go into this Instructor Contact. This is where you will find my information, where I am, my office, my phone number, and my email. The best way to reach me is by, emailing me, because I'm very prompt in responding to your emails. Once you do this, next is course information. This is where you have, some information about book and all that, proctored event information. You have some PowerPoint and so forth. There is no need to purchase any book or anything. It's all there for you. Also, I will post the videos on a regular basis for you to study from, so you don't have to worry about that part. Course material is in course content. This is where you have everything there. Anything that says graded, you need to do that. That's required. So if I click on that, and then you go down the down the screen here, scroll down all the way, I'll see all the assignments. And if you notice that each one of them has a video lesson and an assignment listed there. These are, this is the stuff, this is the textbook material that you can study from. And then you have these videos that you can review before you attempt any of these. Pretty much all of them have unlimited attempt and so forth. So you can repeat them and try to improve your score. The discussion board will be available in course content. Again, you will find discussion board somewhere around here. And you'll right now there is none because I have not opened it one. But once I open it, you will find it, and it'll have a due date. Discussion board due dates are different from all the assignments. All other assignments, including work ethic and final exam, are due on July um, take a look at the due date for all the assignments and so forth. It's listed in the syllabus, by the way. Um, Similarly, the final exam will be available right here in this section. Other than that, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You can check your grades right here by clicking on My Grades, and it'll show you where your grades are. I'll be dropping a couple of assignments for you, so those drop grade will also show up. And with that, I want to wish you the best, and I hope you have a wonderful term. If you ever want to reach me, remember the best way to reach me is via email. Thank you, and good luck to you.